Yeah, my name's Nolan. I talk about trains, planes. I talk about trains, planes, cars, all sorts of other stuff. But today it's all about trains and scenery. Well, I do talk about scenery a lot. That's mostly my main thing. But now I got trains to worry about. So let's get to it. First, we have the Amtrak 161, and then we got the SP 52549, and then I wanted to show you something cool. We got those people in there. Hope you see them. And then you got the table. Just sort of moving a little. But then we're going to go up here. And then you can be in the middle. So we can talk about every train very oftenly. And then we actually do have a Santa Fe. We do have a Santa Fe. The number is 5. Well, I think you can read it. Well, actually, it is a 5903. So you got that, and then you got this graffiti on the BNSF, Burlington Northern Santa Fe. And then look at that graffiti. I don't know what it is. I think it's a lot of letters, mostly. And we got this car, which is the exact same car, called a hopper car. Holds, well, I'm not sure, but this is a 3-wheeled Santa Fe on each part of the thing. It's pretty long. It's a Genesis locomotive. And then you have the hopper again. Then you got this hopper with the green. And then you got the box car. And then you got the cow car. And last but not least, the caboose. So, right now, we don't have a full city. Not even close. And then we got, right now, do you want to check out the Southern Pacific? I'll put it on rails. I'm grabbing it. Okay, a minute. I'm having a hard time. Yep, so that's the Southern Pacific switch. Take that off. Just in case we need to use another train on that track later on. But not in this video. I will have plenty other videos. This is only my first. So anything could happen. I'm Nolan. I am mostly about trains. Look, you forgot about the mini trash can. This is the back. That's our hotel. That's our bank. And that's surprisingly our fire station. You see on the front. And then over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over here. And then you can see the United States flag right on the fire station. Then you got our hotel. There's those stairs. And then we have our station back here. This is the very front. We got a lot of swag here. Or should I say dust? And then you want to see the back of our train station? Oh, ouch! My bad. I'm fine. Just on my... Okay, look at that. And then we got our platform. So, I hope you had fun watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.